girls, and welcome back to Gordon Guitar. Bishop Briggs, first time on this channel, new for me as well. This song is called High Water. So High Water, it's a melody that goes round and round through the entire song. It's based upon 4 chords, the G, the B minor, the C, and the E minor. We will not go over the chords since it's just picking patterns from these chords, so we'll just jump right into how to play the different notes here, divide the different chords. First, we need to set our capo here on the 3rd fret to match up the sound. So, like I said, based upon G, B minor, C, and E minor. So let's look at the G part. That part is played like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the 3rd fret E string and alternate that with the open B string. That's what's going on. Okay, so you're gonna start with the 3rd fret E, then 2 times on the open B, then 3rd E 1 time, then open B 1 time, then 3rd E 1 time, and open B 2 times. Okay, that's it. So just to repeat this, 3rd E, open B, open B, 3rd E, open B, then 3rd E, open B, open B. So the rhythm is like this, a little bit slower than standard tempo. Again. Alright, so that was the G part. The B minor part, that's the same pretty much, but you will just have different notes. Otherwise, the pattern is exactly the same. So the notes now you're gonna play is the 2nd fret A string, and you alternate that with the 3rd fret B string. So that means, it sounds like this. Okay, so the pattern is exactly the same. So that means 2nd A, then 3rd B 2 times, then 2nd A, and 3rd B 1 time, 2nd A, and 3rd B 2 times. Okay, so I think you understand that. It's the same pattern, you just switch the bass and the top notes, the 2 notes you alternate with each other. So, in context, it will sound like this. Right? The same goes with the next part. The notes are based upon a C chord. Now the notes will be 3rd fret on A string, and you alternate that with the open E. So 3rd fret A and open E. The pattern is exactly the same, so that means you will play 3rd A, open E 2 times, 3rd A, open E 1 time, 3rd A, and open E 2 times. Sounds like this. And that's the C part, and the final part is the E minor. The notes here will be 2nd fret D string, and you alternate that with the 3rd fret E string. Pattern exactly the same, and that gives us 2nd fret D, 3rd fret E 2 times, 2nd fret D, 3rd fret E, 2nd fret D, 3rd fret E 2 times. And that will sound like this. And that's it actually. G, B minor, C, and E minor. I will play this for you a little bit slower than standard tempo 1 round, and then I will speed up to standard tempo in the 2nd round. So let's go. So that was Bishop Briggs, High Water. I hope this was helpful for you guys. And if you love these kind of tutorials that I give to you, please come back, subscribe, and perhaps leave a comment on things you like. And yeah, interact with me, leave a comment, and yeah, I hope to see you soon. Don't forget, guys, play tune.